Welcome back, music enthusiasts. In today's video, we're going to take your DJ skills to the next level as we delve into the world of Virtual DJ 8. Get ready to uncover expert tips and tricks that will make your mixes truly unforgettable. But before we jump right in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update from our channel. And if you find this video helpful, remember to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow DJs. Alright, let's get started. Before we dive into the advanced techniques, let's quickly go over setting up Virtual DJ 8. First, make sure you have the latest version of the software installed on your computer. Once you've installed Virtual DJ 8, open the program and familiarize yourself with the user interface. Take a look at the different panels, such as the browser, mixer, and effects panels, which you'll be using throughout your mixing journey. One of the key aspects of becoming a master DJ is effective library management. In Virtual DJ 8, you can organize your tracks into playlists and folders as your music based on genre, BPM, and energy level. This will save you precious time during your live sets. Beatmatching is the foundation of seamless transitions between tracks. In Virtual DJ 8, you can use the software's beat analysis feature to determine the BPM of your tracks. By adjusting the pitch and tempo controls, you can manually match the beats of two songs, ensuring a smooth and cohesive mix. Virtual DJ 8 offers a wide array of effects and filters that can add depth and creativity to your mixes. Experiment with echo, reverb, phaser, and other effects to enhance different parts of your tracks. But remember, moderation is key. Overusing effects can make your mix sound cluttered and overwhelming. Looping and sampling are fantastic tools for adding loops, beats, and vocals to your mix. In Virtual DJ 8, you can create loops of different lengths, allowing you to extend a catchy section of a song or create build-ups and breakdowns. Additionally, you can sample a portion of a track and trigger it on the fly, adding unique elements to your mix. Harmonic mixing involves blending songs that are in complementary keys, creating smooth and harmonious transitions.
Tichene weng mighty you, idugula geru. Jawa when ni saving
In Virtual DJ 8, you can use the key detection feature to analyze your tracks and find their musical keys. By mixing tracks that share similar keys, you can create a seamless flow that captivates your audience. Once you've crafted an amazing mix, don't forget to record it. Virtual DJ 8 allows you to capture your mix in high-quality audio files. You can then share your mixes on platforms like SoundCloud or Mixcloud, or even create a podcast or a radio show. So go ahead, let your creativity flow, and share your incredible mixes with the world. And that's a wrap for today's video. We hope you've gained some valuable insights into mastering Virtual DJ 8. Remember, practice is key to becoming an exceptional DJ, so keep honing your skills. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell. Share this video with your DJ friends, and let us know in the comments below if you have any questions or if there are any other topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. Thanks for watching, and happy mixing!